Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alright, so yesterday we talked about JASMY, and JASMY was looking to bounce off the demand zone. So this was a demand zone. Previously the demand zone was right over there, and whatever I said yesterday pretty much played out as I was expecting something to happen, because I told you we're stuck in a little bit of this triangle, but we had a bullish divergence, and I was biased to actually see a pump to the upside, and I told you that if you pump you will end up coming to this target, and you actually did end up pumping, and as soon as I closed the video. So all you were doing at that time was the following: you were inside this triangle and you popped to the upside. Bitcoin pumped as well, and then we started to move higher. The reason being is simple, because on the RSI, if you look at that, then we had some lower lows here and some higher highs, some higher lows right there. So that actually caused the bullish divergence, and this bullish divergence caused the pump to happen in the market. So that was pretty awesome, and everything happened. So what is going to go on now? What are we looking for as our next thing to look at? Now basically I still see this as a retest of the EMAs. So unfortunately for JASMY, you ended up making a bear cross and you went down, and now you're pumping back up just to be ignored at the EMAs. Still on the daily you have a lot of work to do for JASMY. This is still not good enough. That pump is small on a smaller time frame, which is good on a smaller time frame, but if you look at it on the daily time frame, this is nothing more than a retest back to the EMAs. Look, you lost the EMAs, you went back, you came down, you backtest the EMAs. You could actually continue lower again and backtest the EMAs. So you don't want to there's going to be a pressure, and the pressure is that, do you remember when I said that this is your demand zone, and then you have this as your demand zone as well? So if you look at this one, the prices are actually coming down. So if they come down like this, if the EMAs are actually going to push the prices down, and then you end up coming with the prices being squeezed between the demand zone and the EMAs, you're going to get a very, very big nuclear explosion. And potentially at this point onwards, if the prices come down, you either shoot to the downside or you pop above the EMAs and start another bull cross to go to the upside. However, let me warn you, you don't want to go below the demand zone and close like this below the demand zone. That's going to create some trouble. And also on the other side, watch the Bitcoin update. Maybe Bitcoin could be interested to break out of a falling wedge and go to $69,000. Who knows? And that's pretty much it for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.